So managers in the USA is the profile. Let's give some salary. By compensation rule. Okay, salary plan. Let's put in some salary. 65,000 US dollars is automatically selected. I think we have to give some allowance as well, right? If my package had defaulted correctly, everything would have been selected correctly, but unfortunately N compensation package is hindering our compensation package, right? So anyway, now we have filled up the compensation information. Let me click on Submit. Now who should go next? Oliver Reynolds. Approval by manager. Right. You see Oliver Reynolds' approval by manager. Let's click on that. View details, right. Here is the approval by the manager step. Now let's proxy as Oliver. So I will go to the related actions of Oliver and you have the option to go to Start Proxy. Okay. Otherwise, if you cannot find it here, you go to Security Profile and you have the option to Start Proxy. Okay, you can do it like this, or our tried and tested method, you search for the task, Start Proxy, and there you proxy as Oliver Reynolds. Anything, any option. So let me try to use the easiest one right here, Start Proxy. So now Oliver has to approve, isn't it? And what else do we expect in Oliver's plate? We did a consolidated approval as well, isn't it? Right. So the compensation as well as the hire. So it will have information for both. So first is the compensation information, right? First is the compensation information. Then we have the hire information. All right. So anyway, here's the compensation information. He thinks it's okay, right? He thinks it's okay. And then we have three options: approve, send back for revision, or deny. If I deny, process immediately stops okay. But let me click on approve. Oliver is fine with this. All right. Again. Now he has another task. He has another task: hire. Hire, right. So he has to review the hire as well, because we gave two different orders. If we had not given two different orders, it would have been consolidated together. But now you can click on more details. You can view the hire as well as the compensation, okay. So now you are okay. Let me go back to the inbox again. So now he has to review the hire, okay. So he has reviewed it. This is a staffing information is given, proposed solution, etc., etc. He's fine. He approves this as well. Right. It says you have submitted and you see the green tick. What does the green tick signify? It says the process is successfully completed. Okay. And do we know if there are other steps in this business process? We know that, right? There will be edit Workday account, create Workday account, and so on. So you see that you look here, there are other steps. There are other steps that were automatically completed. It was not. It was not required because the rule has been given how to create a Workday account and the Create Workday Account step has been completed. Right. So let's check who did it. It's a Workday service. They did it. Let's go to our proxy, as Logan McNeil. Okay. And let's navigate to our organization. It is 1001. Was it 1001? Yeah, but we have XYZ, XYZ. Yes, there it is. So John Felda has been hired. Did we create the Workday account for him? Let's try to see if we did create the Workday account. So, yes, I have the ability to proxy. So that means the Workday account was created. If you want to see the Workday account, go here. In the security profile, and you can view the Workday account as well. You can view the Workday account that was created. So it is Selno. That was the Workday account that was created. The first character of the first name and the entire last name. Right. That is the account that has been created for this particular worker. Right, so this worker is the worker has been hired. We have assigned compensation and we saw how the process flowed through the business process definition. We have also allowed. We have assigned some compensation to the worker as well. Right. Now let's try and hire another worker in the same supervisory organization, right? But this time we will hire in London. Let's see what happens. Let's go to organizations here, organizations, and let's go to XYZ. We have another position. Right, we have another position. Let's hire someone in that particular position. So hire employee. Okay. Create a new pre-hire. Okay, United Kingdom. Let's give the given name as WW. The reason it is choosing United Kingdom because in the position we have given a restriction of London, right? That's why it is choosing the country as United Kingdom. So here we have Peter Estella, right? Because this is going to be a salesperson. And let's give some email address. Okay. And the type is work. All right. Okay. So everything is selected automatically. We select the hire date as the 7th and employee type as a regular employee. Okay. Rest of the things I am not going to change. I will click on Submit. Right. Up next is Logan McNeil, but look at the task. Right. Remuneration for UK employees. So that means, in our business process definition, it is now entering which step? The first one, right. Proposed country is UK. This is the step that has been triggered because remuneration for UK employees is the label for that. But here, unfortunately, we have Logan McNeil as both the HR partner and the compensation partner, right? So that's why it is there. Otherwise, it would have gone to someone else if we had another person assigned as the HR partner. Right. So now Logan can fill up the compensation. Oh, here the compensation package is selected correctly. The grade and grade profile are also selected. Salary plan is added. Allowance plan is also added. Perfect. So all we need to do is